The Headrest Safe gives you peace of mind that your valuables are securely hidden in your vehicle. It is made of heavy-gauge steel, quality automotive-grade components, and your valuables are invisible to intruders. Before you begin, you should have programmed the lock and removed the existing headrest. These are the parts provided which you will use to mount the headrest. The mounting posts have already been loosely attached to the mounting plate. Using the gun snuggie for support, check the width of the posts with the existing seat holes. Now tighten the 8 panhead screws that hold the mounting posts to the mounting plate. Remove the bottom foam insert. Then you're ready to attach the mounting plate and posts to the bottom of the headrest. Use the L-wrench provided to tighten the 3-button head screws from inside the bottom of the headrest safe. The mounting plate is now securely attached. If needed, an assortment of adapter sleeves have been included to match the existing headrest post hole circumference. You'll need to find the 2 that are the most snug. Now, take the threaded rod and insert it from the bottom of the mounting post that is closest to the safe access door. Hand tighten the rod, then use pliers to tighten it completely. You're ready to install the headrest on the car seat. Squeeze the wing nut on the mounting post to insert it into the existing car seat holes. Once the headrest has been installed on the car seat, it is locked in place and cannot be removed by an intruder.